In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and sell your own low content books without needing Amazon KDP. When we start on a journey to becoming a self-published author, sometimes the overwhelm of writing this whole long 80,000 word book keeps us from actually getting started. And so that's why I want to show you how to become an author quickly by creating and selling your own low content books. Now, what are low content books? They're books that it sounds like it is what it sounds like. It has a little tiny bit of content in it. It's the same content repeated over and over again. Some great examples of this are line notebooks, right? It's the same lines on every single page. Planners, it's the same planner set on every single page. It's one of the fastest ways to become a self-published author. By no means am I telling you to only create and self-publish low content books. Unfortunately, low content books are extremely easy for people to copy. So once you start selling a lot of low content books, it's really annoying, but people tend to catch on and start just duplicating what you're doing. So I still encourage you to write and self-publish your own nonfiction books that teach information. That's always going to be the holy grail of publishing, because if somebody copies you, you can sue. But if you just need to kind of get over that hump of becoming a self-published author, just get the first book done quickly, this is going to be one of the fastest ways to do it. So the very first step to creating and selling low content books without needing Amazon KDP is to choose your niche. Choose your niche. What is a niche? It's the problem you solve as an author. And even with low content books, your low content book needs to be a solution to somebody's problem. When I was starting out as a self-published author, I had no idea what problem I was solving. I was all over the place. I wrote fitness books. I wrote books about how to create movies, how to produce movies as a college student. I wrote books about overcoming anxiety. I wrote daily devotionals, prayer journal. Like, I was all over the place. And because of that, nobody bought my books because I wasn't establishing myself as the expert at solving a specific problem. So you want to make sure you choose your niche first, because in your marketing content, on your website, and every platform you show up on, you want to be the go-to author at solving that problem. So if you go to Amazon.com and you search low content books, you'll see they've got journals, notebooks for adults. So you can just start from there. If your audience are kids, you can see what kind of things are trending for kids. So obviously I'm going to go for journals because that's just my thing. So now, if I go over here, sort by, I can sort by bestsellers to see what is currently trending the most right now. Ooh, look at this. 5-minute gratitude journal. Give thanks, practice positivity, find joy. 4,893. This is going to be the concept that I do. Step number 2 for how to create and sell your own low content books without needing Amazon KDP. Design your book for the template you choose. Design your book for the template you choose. I'm going to give you guys some free game. When we are becoming self-published authors, we need to use templates to design our book interior pages. When I started in 2009, I guessed at how I needed to format my book interior, and as a result, my prints were boo-boo. I had text that was outside the margin, stuff inside of the gutter. The gutter is like the pages when you open it up. They were all the way, you couldn't even read them. They were all the way in the glue part of the book. It was terrible. You need to design your book for a specific template. And where do you find those templates? You find them through your print-on-demand book vendor. I've talked a lot about print-on-demand on this channel. Basically, print-on-demand is when you hire a third-party company to print and ship your books for you after you made a sale. It's the way anybody can become a self-published author for $0 because you don't need to order inventory. You only print the book after somebody buys the book. It's the best business model in the world. Nobody will ever be able to tell me otherwise. You have to choose your print-on-demand vendor first, get the template from them, and then design your book using their template. So I'm going to show you how to self-publish your print-on-demand books using Barnes & Noble Press. It's free to get started on here. Go to press.barnesandnoble.com, select create account, and then you're going to just choose your print size. Now, in this video, I'm going to demo creating your low content book using Google Docs. So if you ever use Google Docs, you know you're very limited to the amount of page size option you have. So I'm going to go with the 5.5 by 8.5 because I know that's what Google Docs has. Just go to docs.google.com, sign up for a free Gmail account, and you will have access to Google Docs. Go ahead and click blank document. And then at the very top, go to file and then click page setup. Make sure whole document is selected and you're going to choose your page size. Like I said, they don't have as many options over here. So I'm just going to click statement. So now I've got a nice little template. This is a gratitude journal for authors. And so I just need to write my prompts. Today, what are you grateful for? How can this gratitude be used as the topic for a brand new book? That's basically my prompts. So I'm going to make that centered. And then now I need a space for people to write in their prompts, right? So I'm just hitting the line key and I can put lines in here. So to duplicate, you just hit copy, go to the bottom, do file, break, page break, and paste. And you're just going to keep doing that over again and over again. Okay, now we've got 70 pages. So once I'm all done, you go to File, Download, PDF document, and go ahead and save that. Now we go to your dashboard in press.barnesandnoble.com. So I did not complete vendor verification because this is a demo account, obviously, but you want to go ahead and complete that because that's how you'll be able to use this as a drop shipping service. You're going to hit create new book. You're going to select print, click next, put in your title, gratitude journal for authors, hit next. I want to sell my book, click next. I'm going to put no, I'll do it later just because I'm not actually going to sell this, but please, yes, go ahead and complete your vendor registration because that's the only way you'll be able to sell your book. And then estimated page count, mine is between 51 and 100. Page size, I chose 5.5 by 8.5. Interior, I'm doing black and white. I am doing a paperback. I am doing a matte cover. And I am doing cream paper. Woo, 236. I like the sound of that. Click save and continue. And then I need to upload my file. Skip to upload your file and then select from my computer. Go ahead and grab your journal. So you can download the proof if you want to, but over here, just take a look and make sure everything is fitting inside those red lines. Look at that. It is gorgeous. They are fitting. That's excellent. So then I'll say I have reviewed and approved and then click save and continue. Now they are going to give you a template, which is you want to follow it. So I'll click here, upload full color file, cover file, click save and continue, and then go here. Click cover template. Don't guess at this, okay? Click here, cover template. They're going to give you a template that's the exact size of your book. And then go over to canva.com. This is my free account. This is my demo account. So this doesn't cost anything. Click here, click upload files, and then grab that template they just gave you. Grab the full cover template one, the full cover template. Click open. And then I'm just going to open this up in a new tab and you're going to design this. Once you're done, so I'll put gratitude, journal, full cover, PDF. This part is very important. Up here, you go to share, go to download, change PNG to PDF print, and then click download. And once you have your file, you'll go back over, you'll click here, skip to upload your file, and then click select from my computer, and go ahead and grab your full cover, click open, and now you're gonna review your cover. Look at that, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, excellent, I love it. So I said it, I'll say I have reviewed. So I just had to make sure that all my live text was in the blue. That's all I really had to make sure of. Click save and continue. And now you'll just put in all your details. So once you're all done, you go to review and publish, and then you would go ahead and submit. And it takes them about 72 hours to approve it. Now, once you're approved, go ahead and order a print copy of your book to ensure you like it. This is so important. Don't sell something you haven't seen. Order a copy. You saw my copy was like $2 something cents. Just order a copy, pay for the shipping. Make sure you like it first, and then we'll go to the next step. And finally, step number 3, now that you have your book, your low content book set up, print on demand, you ordered a copy, you like it, now list your book for sale on your own website and start doing your marketing. My love, to stop selling your books on Amazon KDP, you have to build your own website to sell your books on. You just have to. There's no other way to do it. I'm trying to get y'all to keep more of your coins, so just build your own website. In this video, I'm gonna show you Hostinger. Shout out to hostinger.com for sponsoring today's video. Go to hostinger.com/Godlywood Girl, and right over here, go to the e-commerce plan. What I love about this is you get 100 websites. And if you see here, this is my favorite part, no transaction fees. So when you make a sale, you get to keep your money. So click choose plan. And then anything over 12 months, you will get a free domain included. And then over here on the right, click have a coupon code and type in Godlywood Girl. and you are going to get an additional 10% off, my love. All glory to Jesus. So go ahead and just click continue, get signed up. Once you're on your dashboard, go ahead and select the Hostinger website builder and then insert in your brand name and put in your description, and then click create a website and make sure you select add online store to my site, because obviously we'll be selling our books. And just like that, we have a website. Look at this. That's what I love about Hostinger. Their AI website builder will literally generate this for you. So you can have a website in just a couple of minutes. It's amazing. So go ahead and hit continue. So you see how it sets us up for our store. Go ahead and click here, add product. And then we are doing a print on demand product. So make sure you select physical products. Then you're going to upload your images. I'm going and literally let AI write this for you. It's great. So I'm going to upload the images from my gratitude journal, the front cover. And then AI is just going to generate a product description for me. I don't even have to write anything. Boom, there it is. Praise the Lord. Your pricing. So whatever it is, Barnes & Noble charged you, times it by 2, and then add the price of shipping. So mine was like $3. So times 2 is 6, and then shipping's 5. So that's 11. That's too low for me. I'm going to sell it for 15. And that way I know for sure I am incorporating the price of shipping, the cost of shipping, and I'm making a profit, which is the whole point. And then that's pretty much it. That's all I need to do. And I just click save. Now it's going to take you to the products form. Make sure you select all of these other products that Hostinger created for you, because we don't need them, obviously. It's just the AI generator giving you really good ideas. But we're just going to use this for our one print-on-demand book. And now we are all set. So now top here, you see where it says top right edit website? Click there. And we're going to very quickly modify our website. All of this is what you see is what you get. So to do something, just click on it and change it. That's all it is. So gratitude journals, transform your blessings into book topics. That's excellent. I'm going to click here, click edit button. And then you see where it says link to, select page, and then select your product. Gratitude journal for authors. That's it. We're good. Go down, product categories, and I'm just going to change this. And then over here, I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete. On the left, it says, you see over here, you have the plus. Click add element, image, drag and drop it. I'm going to place that there, and then click edit image. Go ahead and click replace image and upload your gratitude journal, or sorry, whatever your low content book is. Upload that, hit select. And you see how it's cropped? Go ahead and click on it. Click on the more and select reset image proportion, sorry. And now you have your beautiful image here. And now we just need a purchase button. So we're just going to grab a button. I'm going to drag this down again. What you see is what you get. So if I need more space, just drag this down, click plus. I'm going to grab a button, put it here, edit button. We're going to link it to, same thing we did before. You're going to link it to page. You're going to select your gratitude journal, and you can mess with your color a little bit just to make it more branded. And then obviously I'm going to change this to shop now. And we just want somebody to very quickly be able to purchase the journal. Back here, if I wanted to change this header, they have a lot of options. So if you click edit section, you see how it says replace image. You can choose a new image, or you can go to video, and they have some gorgeous videos. So I'll click replace video, and I'll just put journaling. Look at this. This is perfect. Oh man, that's perfect. Oh, look at this. Look at that. I love it. I love it. And it's just a very simple way to be able to create your website. They do it very, very fast on Hostinger because of the website builder. And then on the left here, just make sure, go to pages and navigation and get rid of any pages you don't need. So for example, they've got shop, gratitude, authors. I don't really need the gratitude page. It's here, they're creating a blog article for you, but if you wanted to just delete it, just click it and hit delete. So once you're all done with your website, just go ahead and click save. Make sure you connect your domain if you're on the business plan, and then click go live. And now let me click view site. Just like that, I have a beautiful website where somebody can come and purchase my gratitude journal. So when somebody comes to purchase, they click shop, they check out. I'm then going to log into press.barnesandnoble.com, order this book to be printed and shipped to the customer. That's how you do this print on demand. Thank you so much to Hostinger for sponsoring this video. Now, of course, none of this works if you don't know how to write and self-publish your own books, right? So if you want to start your business as a faith-based author, you want to do nonfiction books, you want to do daily devotionals, Bible study guides, prayer journals, planners, the works. I created an incredible online course for you called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School, where I teach you how to write and self-publish your own Christian books step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodnez, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the Godlywood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your business as a faith-based author, make sure you watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge. The link is in the description box below. And don't forget to watch this video for even more tutorials to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.